In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a dumbbell tricep extension. Position sitting or standing, or you can also perform this exercise while you are lying on the bench. Movement: raise the dumbbell above your head until your arms are stretched out straight. Tempo: extend your arms in a medium pace and you return slow. Breathing: exhale to the overhead extension, and when you inhale, return to the starting position. And if you are the beginner, you may always want to start with a single dumbbell tricep extension. You may do 3 to 5 sets with 6 to 8 reps to start and gradually increase to the 10 to 12 reps. And volume is always 2 to 2.5 to start, and you may increase gradually.